Also, from the collection management, we are able to enter frozen semen into the inventory. So we go to the Stallion management, collection, highlight the collection record and go for management and click on the freezing log. So from here we are going to freeze data. Most of the records here are optional, so it depends on the information available from your equipment. I'm just gonna here put from the NA location. You can set the culture morphology and everything, abnormalities, if it is port qualified, and this is the motility post centrifugation. So this is the freezing process record. So when you are processing the freezing and you record like this. Next, once you complete this, you're going to split the dose into straws. The first thing we're going to do, you can have multiple batches of straws and you enter one batch at a time. I'm going to click to add one straw batch information. Extender, date, everything here is optional. Important is this frame here. I'm going to say that we processed 20 straws, it's 8 per dose, and we're going to put this inside our tanks. That's why it's important for you to enter the tanks first. Canister number 3 on top. If you have the chance to do your post-thaw motility, here's where you plug the numbers and you save the batch of straws. If you're using different types of extenders or creating multiple batches, you keep adding the process, and from the same collection as well as from the same freezing process, you can have multiple batches of straws, each batch with a different quantity of straws. For this example, I'm going to do just one batch of straws with 20 straws, and I'm going to save the information. It's asking if I want to print. I'm going to say no. Do we want to review the ownership at this time, which can be done later through the frozen semen inventory? And if you want to storage the data for charging, which we are going to explore in future lessons. The freezing record is registered. And if I go now to my frozen semen inventory, and I click on General, you're going to find my 20 straws from that freezing process. So today in this eLearning, you'll learn how to process frozen semen on a regular basis, not quick data entry, on a regular basis, coming from the collection management in the Stallion management for WISE option. Thanks for watching.